go. Go sit down. Tell us all about it. What did they do? What? Did they poke you? Aw, they did. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. You want to go home and see Monty? You do? Yes. Sit down, Abby. That's a good girl. I know. Few more minutes, okay?